Sick and tired of coming across hundreds of diets and weight loss plans out there? If yes, you've probably tried a few and unfortunately, none worked out for you. Now that's pretty sad, but hey, there's great news. You still have a chance of getting the body of your dreams, if only you can keep up with a simple yet incredible weight loss recipe. Of course, that's exactly what this video is about. So yes, if you've been dealing with body fat, most especially belly fat, all these years, you'll be happy to hear that nature's got your back. Right about now, we're going to let you in on an amazing all-natural drink that burns belly fat even while you're fast asleep. The best part? This weight loss recipe is super easy to prepare and chances are you're going to see incredible results in no time. With just 2 super ingredients, you can confidently kiss belly fat goodbye. What does this drink do? The very first thing you should know is that your metabolism works slower when you're asleep than awake. So of course, it's pretty difficult for your body to do much when it comes to burning excess body fat. But that's about to change. By simply mixing and drinking the 2 ingredients we're about to unveil, you'll experience a significant boost in your metabolism and even better, burn lots of calories while sleeping. Awesome, right? So what are these ingredients? Honey and cinnamon. Yes, with these great tasting ingredients, you can lose weight and hopefully keep it away. Blurb about honey and cinnamon. First off, honey is super effective in burning body fat. Essentially, it speeds up your metabolism to quickly get rid of stubborn fat. It's also good to know that honey has a healthier glycemic index than sugar. And even better, honey prevents sugar rush. On the flip side, cinnamon does an excellent job at stabilizing blood sugar levels while increasing glucose metabolism. As most of us already know, high sugar levels can trigger the storage of excess fat in our bodies. But amazingly, cinnamon can prevent this from happening. That's not all, cinnamon also improves insulin function, which in turn increase your chances of losing excess body weight. So enough with the mumbo jumbo, let's prepare this drink already. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of organic honey, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of filtered water, boiling. How to prepare: first off, add a tablespoon of cinnamon to a large cup. Now, get a cup of boiling water and pour the same in the large cup containing cinnamon. Just steep for about 15 minutes and allow to cool. Once it's cool, you can proceed to add 2 tablespoons of honey. That's it. Dosage right now, you just have to drink this mixture twice a day and look forward to seeing amazing results. We'll recommend 1/2 cup in the morning and another 1/2 cup before going to bed at night. And oh, be sure to drink on an empty stomach, crucial. The best part? In addition to weight loss, regular intake of this drink will boost your energy levels and even increase your sex drive. It's just perfect. Don't hesitate to give it a shot today, you'll be incredibly glad you did. Stay beautiful.